Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Accessible Computing, a new world of accessibility. Hi, this is your tech assistant Ritul. In this video, we're going to talk about how you can create hyperlink and link any other documents with your MS Word file. Friends, we are making tutorials for you and we are creating videos how you can use MS Word with your favorite screen reader NVDA. But we're not getting so much views, so much support from you. Maybe the videos are not the videos are not beneficial for you, the videos are not good for you. So if we are not doing so great, or we're not making helpful videos, you should know us now. You should leave a comment that your video is very bad. So if you are feeling like this, we are happy to see your bad comments, negative comments. So just go to comment box and type your negative comments. We are really waiting for your negative comments to improve ourselves in future. Okay, so this is our humble request. Just go if you dislike our videos, if you don't like our content, if you don't like to watch our videos, and if you're facing any problem, please let us know into the comment section. We're happy to read negative comments. If you're thinking that you are not able to submit the comment publicly, you can send us a message, you can send us email. So there are several options, because with your feedback and support we only can grow together. Okay, this is enough talk. Let's start today's episode. And today we are going to learn how you can insert a link in your Word document. Let's jump into the video. I have already opened a blank Word file. Now to insert a link, you need to go to insert menu. To insert a link, you can why it is required. Hyperlink is required to link any document. For example, this is a book where you are writing a book and you want to give some reference. You can link a website. When user clicks on this link, user will redirect it to that website. Or you can link any other referred documents which is available in the same folder or any other folder by using the hyperlink feature. The same feature is available all of Microsoft products and some other applications also. So let's learn how to do that. First step, go to insert menu.
Ribbon tabs, draw to insert tab, select.
Pressing tab until you hear links with split button. I'm pressing shift plus tab.
Micro document, quick and through and undo, save autos, file ribbon, insert equation, split symbol, collect the text data sign, drop word art, quick parts, text, header and footer, header, comment, links, group, bookmark, cross reference, comment, links, grouping, cross reference, button, refer to specific places in your document, such as headings, fit, bookmark, link, split button, collapse,
okay, so
create a link in your document for quick access to web pages and files.
So just press enter on it.
Insert hyperlink dialog, link to address, edit alt plus E blank.
So in address edit box, if you want to link to a website, you just need to give the web address. Okay, so and if you want to link any document, you just need to copy the path of that document and paste here. Or you can just, I'm just pressing tab.
Text to display.
Text to display. So here you need to enter the text which you want the users to display. So here I am just writing click here to
see blank speak type blank space blank.
Click here to
VIEW space
view the
TAE space
book.
BOOK.
I'm pressing tab until I reach.
Look in up one folder button.
See.
Browse the web button. Browse for file button.
Browse for files. So just click here if you want to link any offline files.
Link to file dialog, file name.
So file name, here I'm choosing a file.
Not selected.
Let me choose a file.
A fill accessible items view item.
So here I'm just choosing a file.
Useful websites for blind.
This file I'm choosing.
Twitter short useful websites for blind. Docs 10 of 10 named file name. Combo box collapsed. Edit Alt plus N select files.
File type.
Combo box office files. Star.htm.
Okay, so
Star.html. Star.mht. Star.mht.
I'm just choosing
expanded.
All files.
Office all files. Star.star.
So first, from this file format combo box, you need to press up arrow to choose all type of files. Then I'm going to back and choose
websites for blind. Docs 30 useful websites for blind. Accessible computing. PDF 30.
Okay, so this I have chosen.
Name split file name. Combo files of tools. Tool OK button.
So I'm just click on OK button by pressing tab key.
Insert hyperlink dialog. Link to address. Edit Alt plus EE. Rattle Basak Office accessible compute.
This is the path. Okay, now I'm pressing tab until I listen the OK button.
Screen look up. Browse current bookmark. Target frame. OK button.
Just click on OK button. So
target
here is
frame, button Alt plus G.
Here is a target frame. If you want to know more in details about this target frame or something like this, some other things, so you can just comment me. Then only I will make videos.
OK button.
Just click on OK button.
Document one word. Document link page once. Link. Click here to view the book.
Okay, so click here to view the book. If I press enter, nothing happens because this is the file is not saved. Okay, so if the file is saved, then definitely it will happen. So let's see.
Blank link. Blank link book character link. Oh.
Okay, so
space.
This is how you can hyperlink any documents. Similarly, you can do the website like in the address bar. You can type any website, then press tab and type the level which you want to add, then press tab until you hear the OK button. Once you hear the OK button, just press enter on that and you can easily link any websites. This is how you can create the hyperlinks. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you find this content helpful, then don't forget to comment below and share this video with others. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon. Till then, bye bye.